Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am here to teach you chapter 2 of your EVS book year to year. So ये सेकेंड चैप्टर जो है आपकी CBSE क्लास 4 का है. यहाँ पे मैं सेकेंड चैप्टर पढ़ाने जा रही हूँ जिसका नाम है ईयर टू ईयर. So let us begin. Who has got my ears? So here are some animals in the picture. They are asking to each other, who has got my ears? Are these animals looking funny? So you observe here, rabbit is having some other animals' ears, rat is having some other animals' ears, elephant is having some different animals' ears. So aren't they looking funny? Yes, they are looking funny. The artists have drawn wrong ears on the heads of animal. Give correct ears to the animals in the space given below. Here a space is given below. Here you have animals listed and here there are blanks given. You have to fill them. So and put a correct ears on the animals. So elephant. So mouse is taken. Elephant is having mouse ears. Rabbit is having giraffe's ears. Mouse is having dog's ears. Giraffe is having elephant ears. Dog is having rabbit's ears. Buffalo is having deer. Deer is having buffalo. So they have changed among themselves. So if you change them and write it in the column, correct them and write it in the column. Different animals have different kinds of ears. Among animals given below, which one have ears that you can see? In which animal can you not see the ears? Right in the table below. So all the animals have ears. Some we can see and some we don't. So here are some animal listed down. So you have to separate them. So in the column, animals whose ears we can see, animal whose ears we cannot see. So we can see animals whose ears we can see. So first let us list them. Deer, tiger, pig, buffalo, giraffe, elephant, cat. All these animals' ears can be seen by us. Animals whose ears we cannot see. Frog, sparrow, duck, fish, ant, snake, crow, lizard. All these animals' ears we cannot see. So do you think that animals whose ears we cannot see really don't have ears? So we didn't see the ears of frog, sparrow, duck, fish, ant, snake, crow and lizard. Do you think if we are not able to see their ears, those have really ears? So name the animals in the picture. Can you see their ears? They also have ears even though we cannot see them. Yes, if we can't see them also they have ears. So here a picture is given. You have to name those animals which you can see in the picture. Hen, sparrow, duck, parrot, crow, frog are the animals in the pictures. Find out some other animals which have ears that we cannot see. Write their name. Yes, a snake and lizard have ears but we cannot see them. Read and write. An animal with ears like fan. So they are big ear like fan. Which is that animal? That animal is elephant. An animal with ears like leaves. Leaf like ears. Which animal has that? Deer has that. An animal with ears on the top of its head. Dog has ears on the top of its head. An animal with ears on both sides of its head. Buffalo, cow, both have ears on both the sides of the head. You know very well that ears help us to hear. In some animals you can see the ears, in some cannot. We cannot see a bird's ears. A bird has tiny holes on both the sides of its head. Generally the holes are covered with feathers. They help the bird to hear. If you look carefully you will see tiny holes on lizard's head. So these are its ears. A crocodile also has ears like this but we cannot see them. So all the animals whose ears which we can't see doesn't mean that they don't have ears. They have ears in the form of small holes. They are either covered with the feathers in the bird and we can also see some small holes in the lizards and crocodile head. Those are nothing but they are ears of the animal. So match the animal shown here with the picture of their skin. Make the correct pattern of the skin on the picture of each. So here the pictures are given. The pictures of zebra, deer, cheetah, squirrel and tiger are given, and you have to make, that is, color them properly in a correct manner. So I have shown you the images on the right side, so look at them and try to color those. The different patterns of the animals are due to hairs on their skin. So why this zebra is white and black and the tiger is brown, black and white, or the color of the cheetah has different patterns? So this is all because of the hairs which are present on their body. It is not because of the skin, they are because of the hairs present on their body. Have you ever seen an animal without hair or loose hair having been removed? Imagine how the animal would look if it did not have any hair on its skin. There would be no patterns. So if imagine that if you would trim away all this hair from the body of the animal, what would happen? So this would look so empty without no patterns. You might have seen some animals given below. So fox, frog, mouse and elephant. So all these are animals which we have seen. Put the names of the animals in the table column below. Ears, you can see hair, has hair on the skin. Ears cannot be seen, has feathers on the skin. So ears can be seen. So let us list out the animals whose ears you can see. Fox, mouse, elephant, cat, camel, buffalo and pig. All these animals' ears can be seen and has hairs on their skin. So let us list out the animals who has hair on their skin. Fox, mouse, elephant, camel, buffalo, pig and cat. All these are animals who have hair on their skin. Yes, let us list out the animals whose ears we cannot see are either in the form of a hole. Frog, hen, crow, sparrow, peacock, lizard and pigeon, duck. All these animals' ears we can't see. Let us list out the animals who has feathers on their skin. Hen, crow, sparrow, peacock, pigeon, duck. All these are the animals who have feather on their body. In which list did you put the cow and the buffalo? From a distance, can you see the hair on their skin? Try to go near of them. Could you see the hair? Yes, we can see here on the buffalo and cow when you go near to them. If you were to meet an elephant, would you dare to touch it? Do you think that elephant can also have hairs on its skin? Yes, elephant do have hairs on its skin. Can you tell which of the animals mentioned in the list lay eggs? Find out and write the names of these animals in the green box. So let us write the name of the animal who lay eggs. Crow, sparrow, duck, parrot, hen, peacock, lizard, pigeon. All these animals lay eggs. Which of the animals in the list given birth to the babies? Write the names in the red box. So let us list out the animal who give birth to their baby. Fox, mouse, elephant, cat, camel, buffalo and pig are the animals who give birth to their young ones. Now look again to the table on the previous page. Draw a line under the name of the animals whose names are given in the green box. Put a circle around the names of those animals whose names are in the red box. So what did you note? Those animals whose ears you can see have hairs on their body. Yes, this is true. The animals whose ears we can see, they have hairs on their body, and the animals give birth to their young ones. But when it comes to the animals whose ears we cannot see, they have feathers on their body, and those animals lay eggs. So this was about the ears of the animal. Have different type of ears and feathers on their body and also hairs on their body, and some laying eggs and some giving birth to their young ones. So for today this is enough, and in the next class we'll be continuing with solving of the worksheets and question answers. So please stay connected. Thank you for watching this.